What if you pursued and shared your dreams with your family, friends, and others who are working towards a common goal? What if your big idea could teach, impact, and change someone else's life in a positive way? What if your definition of failure wasn't that you didn't succeed, but that you didn't even try?
One of the things a lot of people don't realize is that there's a silver lining to stuff not working out. Failure is usually a stepping stone to something else. And usually that something else, it might not even exist yet.
And the second that I met this YAWS community and see all the comments and hear the talks that are going on and being surrounded by so much brilliance and light and inspiration and motivation, it's really caused a mental shift for me.
This is a true grassroots architecture conference focused on the professional development of the next generation of architects for the community, by the community.
What if this was an opportunity to discover what is really most important to you, what your priorities really are, and what they mean? This play focuses on a few things: reassessing your goals, priorities, what makes you happy, what drives you. This is the perfect time to look within your toolbox of knowledge and use your past experience and expertise to leverage the next chapter of your life.
The main thing I want you to take away is to practice prioritizing your work, so you can then pursue your creative outlets once you log off for the day. Your best self thrives in creativity, so use it to your advantage and create a balanced life.
We're the real people doing the work, and we're the real people who are suffering at the bottom, and we're the real people that need the support. So this conference really gives you what you need.
So it's that patting each other on the back, trying to support each other and help each other find the best path forward. That is what Young Architect Community is about, is helping the greater good, helping each other advance the industry and just find personal happiness and success.
The next time you find yourself saying, that person's better than me, I just want you to pause and realize that's an incomplete sentence. And you just need to complete the thought. That person's better than me at being who they are. Because what if your goal isn't to be the best, but to be your best? And then what if your best turns out to be the best for the people that you're meant to serve?
Gets my heart rate up here, and then the rest of the day I'm on this high of like, all right, when's the next talk? And I honestly wish I could just start every day like this, because it feels awesome.
It's like creating a diamond. It's like honing a diamond that will shine forever. That's how I look at the winter series.
I would say, trust me, you want to be here. Like from the first day of the conferences and the summer series and the winter series, you're going to know why you're here, and you're going to love it.
Do you realize the possibilities are endless? As you stand at this inflection point, making these decisions is never easy or straightforward. However, these decisions could very well be the most important decisions of your career. The direction that you choose to point that ship could very well define the next chapter of your life and career.
After you find out who you are and you know your why, be unstoppable, relentless, and ruthless in your pursuit. And always remember, it's a choice. It's a choice you make every minute of every day. So build your inner power and achieve extraordinary things in architecture and beyond.